way the torque wrench works is when you set it, as you move this way, you'll hear a little click. Supposed to click. How come it's not clicking now? What is going on? Supposed to click. I actually just broke the head off this screw here. In order to get this screw out, because it's broken off cleanly at the thread, I'm just gonna drill out for this thing. This is kind of like a spiral bit. It's hard to explain, but if you screw it in opposite the thread so that hopefully it'll grip and we'll be able to twist that thing out of there. But the problem is these screws are hardened steel, and I'm not sure if this bit should work. Just gotta make sure I'm, hey, I felt it move a little. I think we need a little more. So I got a little bit of a, I don't know if we can just, I think I went a little bit big, but I think it budged somewhat. Oh wait, it's budging a little bit. Ah. Oh wait, whoa! Hey, we're getting it! I just gotta switch over to this one. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have found our solution. Ooh, that had me really scared. But if we can actually get it out. Oh man! We got it. That focus? Yep. So it broke out just a little bit. I drilled in with the bit, came in here with this, which is kind of like a opposite threader. I thought we were done for. But I'm pretty sure, I think, that Powermatic supplied me with some screws, some extra screws. Just gotta, here are some extra inserts. Uh-oh. Do we have any? Yes! Now this could be for the jointer or the planer, I'm not sure which.
I need to fit both.
Jeez. Alright, they actually included an extra screw for us. I'm pretty sure that this fits the threads here, which is super fantastic because I thought we were toasted there for a while. I just want to make sure I clean up all these chips. We'll just try it like this. Sure there's no metal filings or chips underneath our... Okay, now this time we're gonna make sure, we're gonna make absolutely sure that we don't over torque it. Okay, so I ended up actually breaking 2 of these screws. Just because I didn't notice when I was had gone past the 5-pound limit on this thing. And it's very easy with a wrench this size to be able to over torque these things. So this is, you know, it's a cheap brand torque wrench too. There's a little click when you get up to the poundage, and if you miss that click you can over torque it. So I broke 2 of them, but I was able to just drill a small hole in the threads with this drill bit and then tap it out with this guy, which was all very simple. So I'm lucky that that happened like it did. But yeah, just be careful. I recommend you find a smaller torque wrench than this if you could. And if you had a digital torque wrench, then obviously it'd be easy to see what poundage you were up to. But other than that, it came off without a hitch, and we got all these back in here. Now they're all very oily, so we'll just make sure we'll run this a while before we've got to play on board stage so that, you know, there's not a lot of oil getting on our material. And, you know, hopefully it works out. I don't know, it's kind of a, when we broke that screw off, I thought we were toast. But we were able to tap it out, so it all kind of worked out, so which is good. Now, one other thing I wanted to say here was that you want to make sure you